Well, good Saturday morning to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. I hope everybody's having a showing up good Saturday, and I hope everybody's having a right fine weekend. But I'm here to tell you in East Central Mississippi, the weather's nice, 70-ish degrees, just showing up nice to be outside. Before we get started on this video, I always like to mention that if you are new to the channel, we want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over here, I thank you for coming back. What I want to share with you and y'all today is Skyla and I are going to put together a show enough dessert for y'all. I'm here to tell you, if y'all make this dessert tomorrow for Easter, you're going to put some smiles on some folks' face, and folks are going to line up to get slapped because it's that good. Give me a second, and that's what we fixing to do. All right, what Skyla and I are gonna put together for you today is a sure enough Southern dessert, and it is called a dirt pie. By the way, you don't have to bake this. You just throw it together, put it in the refrigerator, let it chill, and it's a sure enough good dessert. Let me show you what all the ingredients are, and then we're gonna rock on. All right, we got 1 pack of room temperature cream cheese, a half a cup of butter, 1 cup of confectioner sugar or powdered sugar, 2 packs of French vanilla jello, 12 ounces of some whipped topping, about 6 cups of crushed Oreos that we blended up in a blender, and 3.5 cups of milk. Also gonna need something to put the dirt pie in. If you have a couple of blenders, we're using 2 blenders, a stand mixer, and just a hand blender and a bowl. What we gotta do is we're gonna do this in 2 separate steps. We're gonna blend a set of ingredients in one bowl, and we're gonna put another set of ingredients in another bowl. We're gonna put our 3.5 cups of milk in this stand mixer. Let's just add our French vanilla pudding. Oops, dropped it in there. French vanilla pudding in there. All right, let's put this baby down. I'm gonna lock it, and we're gonna get to blending it. Now what we're gonna do is, while this is blending, and we're gonna wanna blend this for about, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes. While that's doing that, we're gonna dump some more ingredients into this bowl, and we're gonna use a hand mixer to do that. All right, there's our confectioner sugar, cream cheese. Here's our half a cup of butter, softened in the microwave. All right, here we go. We also have to incorporate in some whipped cream to that mixture. So we're just gonna eyeball this. It's supposed to be about 12 ounces. I don't know, what do you think about that much? Like, it's really gonna taste bad if you put a little bit too much whipped cream in it. Let's get that mixed in there. Uh-oh, man, technical difficulties here. What's going on there? Oh, Lord, thing done flew off. Oh, Lord. What in the hell's fire? Okay, all right. There we go. Now we're working with it. I'm gonna call that good. All right, our Jello has been whipping up quite nicely. Add our other mixture in. Let's get to mixing this up now. All right, I done got fired because I done broke stuff and didn't mix stuff right. Skyla's fitting to finish this dirt pie, so let's watch that.
Okay, I'm gonna put some Oreos first. You gotta make layers with it. Then I'm gonna get some of the pudding.
A little bit more Oreos.
And more of the pudding. Usually it's about 3 layers a piece. You want to save enough Oreos to go on the top.
Okay. Ooh, oh yeah, it's gonna work out nice. last time we did this, we ran out of Oreos, so we had like more than enough Oreos this time. I'm here to tell you, this thing looks good. And it's really simple too. There you go. And it's all it is just alternating layers of French vanilla, Jello, and Oreo cookies. Well, why do they call it dirt pie, you reckon?
I don't know.
I guess it just looks like dirt. I don't know.
Yeah. Some people put it in a flower pot and put gummy worms on top to make it look like a dirt pie.
We ain't doing that with ours though. Good to go. Now the only thing left to do with this is just put it in the refrigerator and just let it chill for a little while. Well, I was just informed that you actually don't have to put it in the refrigerator. You can just leave it out and just eat it like that.
But it's better cold.
But it's better cold. Well, there you have it. A sure enough no-bake dirt pie. A sure enough Southern favorite. Skyla makes it every now and then over here. It's a really good dessert, and it's real easy to make, and you don't have to bake it. I guarantee you folks are gonna like it. So again, I hope everybody's having a sure enough good Saturday, and I hope everybody's taking care of themselves amid this crisis that we have going on. So before I end this video, I'd also like to say from the Home and Sticks family to you and yours, we hope everybody has a good Easter. For us, we're expecting some sure enough storms to come in, but I don't know, we'll just have to see how that plays out. But we wanted to say happy Easter to everyone. If you like this video, go and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, Lord of mercy. Y'all need to come on over here and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff like making dirt pie. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan reference sure enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine.
I mean nobody.
You get your shine on, and Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.